how to change Discord nickname in a server. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your server nickname step by step. First, open the Discord app on your phone or open Discord on your computer. Next, select the server where you want to change your nickname. Now, open your profile or tap your name in the server. Look for Edit Per Server Profile or Edit Server Profile. If you see the nickname option, tap on it and enter the new name you want to use. Then, tap Save or Save Changes to apply the new name. Your new name will now appear in that server. Your main Discord username or display name will not be changed. If you don't see the option to change your nickname, the server may not have given your role the Change Nickname permission. In that case, you'll need to ask the server owner or an administrator to give you permission. You can also change your nickname using the /nick command if you have permission. For example, type /nick your new name in a server channel and send the command. Keep in mind that a server nickname is specific to that server, so you can have different nicknames in different Discord servers. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord nickname in a server. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Discord tutorials.